How are small TikTok video creators making simple, poorly edited short videos like this, and this, cheating the system and making thousands of dollars on a weekly basis? Better yet, how did I make this much uploading simple short videos without even showing my face in some of them? This is because of something called TikTok Shop Affiliate. But what is this exactly? How does it work? And most importantly, what are its minimum requirements in 2025 that you need to reach in order to start getting paid? Now, gurus would normally charge you $297 for a course explaining all of this, but by the end of this free video, all of this will be revealed. And don't forget to drop us a like and comment thanks if you have found value from this video. And of course, if you're excited to start getting paid by TikTok Shop today, download our free toolkit in the description. Now, TikTok Shop Affiliate is when someone helps sell products from a TikTok shop and they get paid a little bit of money in the process. This is called a commission every time someone buys something because of that TikTok Shop Affiliate. So this is like being a digital salesperson, but instead of working in a store, you make short videos or reviews about the product on TikTok. Now, if people like what you show and buy it through your special link, this is how you get paid. You earn money. For example, let's say you love cool, retro, cute water bottles. You join the TikTok Shop Affiliate program and pick a colorful, trendy water bottle to promote. You then make a funny video showing how the water bottle keeps your drink super cold all day and how aesthetic it looks. In your caption, what you do is put a special link to that particular bottle, and when someone clicks your link and buys the bottle, you get paid a small percentage of that sale. Kind of like getting a reward for helping the shop sell it. Now, in order to join, you need to be at least the age of 18. You need to have a minimum follower requirement of at least 5,000 followers if you are based in the USA. If you're based in the UK, you need a minimum of 1,000 followers. This can vary depending on the country where you are. You need to have been actively posting at least for the last 28 days, and you need to be abiding by TikTok community guidelines. Now, let's say you're interested, but you don't have enough followers. You can use the various follow for follow engagement trends that are currently going viral on TikTok. You can also use TikTok ads. You could even buy an account that already has the minimum follower count that you need. There's a number of different options to allow you to grow quickly and meet the minimum requirements. Once you've qualified, you'll see a screen like this, which allows you to apply. Now, once you've been accepted, which only takes a few minutes, you will unlock access to the TikTok product marketplace, which is where you can tag products, put them in what's called your showcase, which is like your storefront, and be able to create videos that have those products linked in them. But don't create videos just yet, because you actually need to have the product in your hand in order to not be penalized by TikTok. You can get the product by either buying the product through TikTok Shop directly. You can use Amazon next day delivery to get the product quickly, or you can order free samples directly from the product marketplace in order to have the product sent to you. Now, when people are watching your videos on their For You feed, they will also see this little icon which allows them to buy the product if they are interested, getting you paid in the process. But the thing that most beginners get wrong here is selecting the right products, and this can waste hours, days, even weeks in some instances. Luckily for you, I have prepared a video which shows you how to select trending viral products in just a few minutes.